Okay, Lynn, just going to go over the procedure for creating bulletin pages and for emailing the bulletin pages out to staff. We'll run it with staff for a little while and then we'll start working on it with students later in the term. So as long as you're in Office 365, anywhere you can see the waffle there, just click on the waffle, and you're interested in SharePoint. Okay, so click on SharePoint and that takes you through to our SharePoint site. Yours might look slightly different from this at the moment in that you might not have a list of sites that you're following, and you might not have any sites in your frequently visited, or you might have a different set of sites in your suggested. To find the daily bulletin, what you're likely to have to do first time is just type daily into the search function at the top and it will come up with the closest suggested site. Okay, so click on here and that takes you through to the daily bulletin site. Alright, instructions there are for staff. This one at the top obviously doesn't apply to you. You are the admin staff who are going to be creating the fresh bulletin. So we've got a bulletin here for tomorrow. Let's just assume that there are various notices in it. All right, and what you'll need to do is just download that to your desktop and then you can attach it to an email to all staff. There isn't a way of getting from here directly to the email program yet, to Outlook. So just right click on the one at the top. So that's tomorrow's, download it. That's now sat on your desktop. So when you go to mail now, you can create a new mail. This is a staff bulletin, so it'll go out to all staff. Yeah, and you might want to be nice and put in bulletin for yeah, it's up to you whether you're going to be nice or not. Okay, so the file will have the date on it anyway. So and then just come and grab that file, 2016 10/05, sorry, which is to and stick that on there. I've got the date wrong now. It would be the 5th of October, wouldn't it? But just come and grab that file. That's an attachment, and then you click on send. I'm not actually going to send it because staff will get a bit of junk email from me. So that's simply the procedure for sending the file. Okay, so I'm going to discard that email now. I don't want it, and I'll get rid of it off my desktop too. Okay. All right. So next thing that we need to do is we've sent out today's bulletin, and we need to create a blank ready for staff to populate for tomorrow. So before I said that you need to upload a blank from your desktop. You don't need to do that now. I've managed to work out a way of putting in a default template. So just simply click on new. The only kind of file you can create is a staff bulletin file. And then all you have to do here is basically put in the date to which that bulletin is going to relate. So it's always going to be tomorrow's date. I've already unfortunately created a file called the 6th for the 6th of October. So I'm going to create one for the 7th. So just click on there. The date needs to go in backwards because then the computer can index it. So 2016 10 and 07, yeah. So 7th of 10th 2016, but backwards, so the computer won't be able to index it properly if you put it in the other way around, and therefore it will be mixed up with all the other files rather than always floating to the top. So put it in backwards. And that's it. It saves automatically anyway. You don't need to do anything. So if I now go back to that site and refresh it, you'll see that 7th of 10th 2016 is created and ready to go. And all staff need to do is open that and start putting their messages onto it. So that's it. That's the procedure basically. And the nice thing about it is if my evil plan goes to or works, we can use that for sending out staff notices, and they will stack up here. So if staff want to come and actually find older notices, they can. So unfortunately it is reliant on putting the date in backwards so that it always indexes like that. And that's it. Thank you very much.